I just wanted to come on and quickly give you a bit of an update about laws that have been introduced into the WA Parliament today. Important laws, important bill, if passed, will improve rights for working people in WA and improve protections for the most vulnerable workers. Importantly, these laws will allow for there to be a bullying and harassment avenue in the Industrial Relations Commission. So where workers are experiencing bullying at work, they'll have the opportunity to be able to go to the Commission and get some assistance to resolve those issues. This is a really important development, although there's been provisions like this for employees in the federal system for some time. People who are covered by WA awards or people who are award-free haven't had those kinds of protections, and this will make a huge difference to their ability to be able to resolve those matters. There's also going to be stronger protections for the most vulnerable workers. And this is really important to help stamp out wage theft, which we know is rampant in many businesses. So there'll be stronger rights for industrial inspectors. There'll also be an increase in penalties for employers who are deliberately ripping off their employees. And all of this is really important to make sure that workers are getting what they're properly entitled to. So these are very important announcements. The other thing that we think is really important is the introduction of laws that will change the definition of who is an employee. Many people probably don't realise, but WA is one of the few states where for many years, if you've worked in a domestic setting, you haven't been considered an employee. So you're not entitled to get paid minimum pay and conditions that everyone else would just take for granted. These laws will change that, and that's one of the really important steps towards making sure that we're able to eradicate modern slavery. So we really congratulate the WA government for putting this bill in Parliament. We will need to make sure that it gets the support it needs to become law, because that'll make a huge difference for working people who are covered by the state industrial relations system.